Hi! Today we're going to walk through how TTI supports the calculation of capital gains before and after June 25th as a result of the 2024 federal budget's change to the inclusion rate. Let's start by exploring the corporate and personal tax scenario worksheet. When you access the T1 Base tab of the worksheet, you'll see a new row in the taxable income section labeled Capital Gains Gross Up for High Inclusion Rate. This row automatically activates to increase taxable income for high-rate capital gains, which is when personal capital gains exceed $250,000 in a tax year. For capital gains realized during or after the 2024 tax year, entering amounts in the capital gains proceeds row will apply the newly adjusted inclusion rate of 2/3. For dispositions prior to June 25, 2024, you should mark them in the Capital Property section. Simply select True for the disposed before June 25, 2024 row to apply the previous half-rate inclusion. The Capital Property section is where you can also identify any properties before or after June 25, 2024 that are qualified small business shares. The increased capital gains exemption effective June 25, 2024 will automatically be calculated when applicable. As you input relevant amounts, the worksheet calculates the portion of capital gains taxed at both the 1/2 and 2/3 inclusion rates, seamlessly integrating adjustments like the $250,000 threshold, capital loss carryforwards, and capital gains deductions. As legislation is pending, these new calculations rely on assumptions, particularly concerning donations of capital property and stock options. Details of these assumptions are in the Implemented Rates in the Support folder. These updates extend to TTI's corporate tax calculations as well. Like in the personal tax scenario, any capital gains recorded in the taxable income section will follow the inclusion rate applicable at the end of the corporation's tax year. Details of dispositions or donations of capital property prior to June 25 should be entered in the designated Disposition Donation of Capital Property section. These changes have been integrated into our optimization algorithms in the Salary versus Dividend for One worksheet. If you have any questions about these new features or need further assistance, please contact us at support@taxtemplates.ca.